Morning, everyone. My name is V. I'm from Hanoi, Vietnam, and I'm currently working in Washington, D.C. I'm with the Sanctuary, so we are an interfaith artist community, and we activate the power of the arts for the wellness of the people. And I want to talk a little bit about what I've been creating on stage. So on the left, is Mother Nature, and her hair is transitioning and transforming into the ocean. And then on the second panel is the transition from the thriving Mother Nature to the water that is polluted and into the gentrifying capitalized land that we're living in right now. And then the third panel attempts to capture the changes in structure and appearances and also the values that are slowly dominating this earth. And we, as member of the society, as marginalized identity, as vulnerable communities, we will have to bear with the burden and the direct consequences of the injustice that has been done to our people and our land. And we will also have to bear another burden of protecting our quality of living and protecting our dignity. But then this is not an individual work. It's a collaborative work. It's a work where people of differences come together to recognize our shared humanity and to together protect that humanity. And so this painting is not done. And I cannot finish this by myself because I cannot do this work by myself. So I would like to extend an invitation to all panelists who have spoken today to help me come up and put these flowers that I have made on this tree right here. And this is where changes will begin. We will visually see the commitment that each and every one of us has in doing this work. And our commitment to spread colors and light, even from the darkest place. Thank you.
Thank you, V. Just to keep you on your toes, no introduction. So she's going to go boom in about 90 seconds. So, yeah, no introduction. You guys go. Get the introduction second time. 1 minute. I'll try to shut them up. And then I'm going to cue you and you're going to go. No words.